Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a comprehensive review of the KitchenAid 4-slice toaster with manual high-lift lever. This toaster promises versatility and style, but does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. First off, let's talk about the design. The KitchenAid toaster boasts a retro-inspired look with stainless steel construction. It comes in several vibrant colors, adding a splash of personality to your kitchen. However, it's worth noting that this toaster is quite hefty and takes up a significant amount of counter space due to its larger footprint. One of the standout features of this toaster is its dual control functionality, essentially giving you two toasters in one unit. This means you can toast different types of bread simultaneously with separate settings, which is great for households with varied toast preferences. It also features a high-lift lever, making it easier to retrieve smaller items like English muffins without burning your fingers. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of performance. During our testing, we found that the KitchenAid toaster generally performs well across different settings. It offers 5 shade settings to choose from, ensuring you get your toast just the way you like it. However, we did notice some inconsistencies, especially at lower settings where toast sometimes came out unevenly toasted. In terms of toasting experience, the KitchenAid handles standard bread slices and bagels admirably. Bagels, in particular, toasted evenly with a nice crunch on the outside while maintaining a soft interior. However, it lacks a dedicated defrost setting, which may be a drawback if you frequently toast frozen items. Operating the KitchenAid toaster is straightforward with its knob-based controls and clearly labeled buttons. The high-lift lever makes it easy to remove toast without hassle. When it comes to cleaning, there are 2 removable crumb trays located at the back of the unit, allowing for easy maintenance and keeping your countertop crumb-free. From a user experience standpoint, the KitchenAid toaster includes thoughtful details like a long power cord with a convenient storage wrap. However, one downside is the loud alert sound it emits when toasting completes, which might be bothersome in quieter environments. In conclusion, the KitchenAid 4-slice toaster with manual high-lift lever offers a blend of style and functionality. Its dual control feature and sturdy build make it a reliable choice for larger households or those who entertain frequently. However, the lack of a defrost setting and occasional uneven toasting at lower settings are points to consider. Would I recommend it? Yes, if you have the space and prioritize toasting versatility. It's a solid performer with a retro charm that stands out in any kitchen. Just be mindful of its size and a few minor quirks. That wraps up our review of the KitchenAid 4-slice toaster. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.